Welcome to the P.Mario concepts graphics training on Pixel Lab, where you will learn how to use Pixel Lab in your smartphone to do all kinds of graphics designing, anything at all that is designing. Before we get into the main business, it will be good to make a kind of introduction on what Pixel Lab is. Yes, Pixel Lab is a phone application that is created to enable the graphic designers to do designing in their phone at the comfort of anywhere they find themselves. Yes, this is the interface of Pixel Lab, but don't mind how my own is showing now. I'm using Pixel Lab Pro, but there's nothing different from the normal Pixel Lab that you might be having and this one. I hope that by now you must have downloaded Pixel Lab in your phone. Yes, before we start, it will be more good to tell you or to introduce to you all these icons that you are seeing here. Yes, let us start from the top. This icon here is addition icon. I call it addition icon because you can use it to add anything you want to add while you are designing. If you click it, you see many options. You see text, you see current date, you see stickers, you see shapes, you see from gallery, and you see draw. You can use here to add anything you want to add. If you click text, then it means that you want to write something. Then you now use it and write anything you want to write. Then the next, which is this one, is the icon you use to save. After designing, you click here, you save. You first of all save as project. If you save it as project, it will now be saved in the file of your phone so that you can access it anytime. Then after designing, you save it as image. It will now save at the gallery of your phone. Then it is done, an image is which you can send to your client, or you can use it to do anything you want to use it to do. Then the other one here, this one is share button. You can use it to share. If you want to share to anybody what you have done, you click that place and it will go. That is it. Then yeah, this one is quote. If you want to use any quote, for example, you want to use quote and you're confused, don't know quote you want to use, if you click there in this quote, then you will now select the kind of quote that you want. Then here, this one that has three dots here is where you go to do many things like setting. It's a kind of setting. You set your image size, you set your screen, then many things here. But with time, you are going to get all these things that we're saying. Then down here is my project. Yeah, my project. Anything that you have done after doing it, and you save it as projects. Remember, I told you that if you want to save your work as project, you click here and save it as project. Then if you want to access that stuff that you have saved, you click my project and it will now show you everything, all the work that you have done. This is my work, the one that I have done already for clients. Then here now, the one you'll be seeing in your own interface will not be exactly like this, but here it's used to change the interface. If you click here like this, then it will now change here to this form. Then you can use it and design. That is it. Then you are still going. Then here now you see this A, alphabet A is what you use to edit anything that is text. Anything that is text. When you, for example, now here this thing that is text, if I click it and my cursor, I'll go and click my cursor at this alphabet, then to now bring me all the options that I need so that I can be able to edit this text. For example, you see it, all of them are here. If I want to delete text, I click here. If I want to copy and paste, I click it to copy and paste. Then if I want a text to come in front, maybe it's behind another image, I click come to front. If I want to go to back, I click go to back. Position, yeah, I can use this thing to shift it to anywhere I want it to go, like this. Exactly, that is it. Then here, relative position, if I want it to be at the center, at the middle, I click here. If I want it to be, I click here. If I want it to go to the left side, to the right side, down, I click here. That is it. That is as so on. Then here is the color. Here is the size. I want to increase the size or reduce the size. Then here is the color. If I want to change the color to any color that I want, I do it here. Then texture, if I want to change the color with the kind of, for example, I want to change it to something like this. Using it, I've changed the texture. Yeah. Now is it. Then the opacity. Opacity. I've used what opacity is to um to reduce it or to increase it. That is opacity. Then to rotate, all these things are the features of text. Then here is about image. For example, that let me draw image shape, half square. If I want to change it to, let me, let me use circle. Let me change the color. Then I will click here. If I click my cursor this A, I cannot do anything with this image. But if I click back on this one here, then I will not have many options on image size. Anything I want to do with it, I can do it. I'll change the color, texture, size. If I want it to increase or to decrease, anything I want to do, opacity, just exactly like that of the text. You also see it here, see many things here. That is it. As time goes on, we'll be showing more. uh, if you have any question, you can drop it. I'll be glad to attend to it. Yes, and also